Okay guys, today I'm going to explain you what is imperative verb. Now, you need to know that imperative verbs are like in Spanish. They mean the same. We use them for 6 different words. For example, we have give orders, for example, be silent. 2. Give instructions, for example, press these buttons. 3. Make requests. Lend me your book, please. The next one, give advice, drink water, and give directions, turn right. Now don't forget that we use them to these 6 basic uses. Now, what about the structure? In imperative verbs, we have 2 different ways to use it. We have imperative verb in positive. Imperative is formed with a verb without a subject. Don't forget that. In imperatives, you don't need to use a subject. For example, stop talking, turn left, or rest at home. You don't have a subject, right? You can see that subject? No, you can see it because you don't need a subject, okay? Now, what about the next structure? Negative imperative is formed with do not or don't and the verb. We have, for example, don't touch that, don't open the door, or don't smoke here. Don't forget, you don't need to add a subject, and in imperative verbs we have just 2 different ways, positive and negative. Now, let's look at these examples. We have an easy exercise, and the idea is, according to the picture, you need to select what would be the right imperative situation. For example, in the first one we have 1. Turn on the lights. 2. Don't smoke. 3. Don't cry. 4. Read your answer. 5. Open the door. Or 6. Don't litter. Okay, you have 6 situations, 6 imperative sentences, and next to you have pictures. The idea is you have to write in a small circle for each picture what would be the right number. Is it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6? You need to check it. Okay, I'm going to give you some time, and then I'm going to check what would be the right answers. Okay, that's all. We're going to check it. Now, we have the first sentence says, turn on the lights. It's the picture number 5. Number 2, don't smoke. The picture number 3. Okay. Now, number 3, we have don't cry. Picture number 1. Now, number 4, what is? Is the last picture, number 6, picture number 6, number 4. Now, what about number 5? Open the door. We have the second picture, open the door. And finally, number 6, don't litter. Obviously, is the last picture. Don't litter. Okay? Now, please, you have to complete this exercise too. We have choose and complete imperatives. You have a box with different verbs: lend, through, fight, talk, cross, wash, hurry, touch, and checked. And you have 8 sentences. The idea is you need to obviously fill the sentences, fill the blanks with the right verb. We have the first one, it says, don't the street by yourself. Number 2, up, we are late. 3, me your pen please. 4, don't the knife. 5, don't in class. 6, your hands before you eat. 7, don't with your brother. And 8, your answers twice. Okay, please guys, don't forget to check them, check the meanings, and don't forget to do your students book activities, your workbook activities, and if you have to do a video or maybe a kind of recording from your unit. That's all for me. Thank you for your attention, and that's all. Bye bye.